Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Privacy Protection. Now select All Permissions and pick one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now select one of your apps by clicking on it. I will go with Booking.com. Finally, select the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click on it and go back, as you can see, Booking.com just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage. Now click on See All Booking.com permissions instead and operate all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!